Can you feel it in the air? Can you smell it? The end of the module, it's close. It's so tantalizingly close. So let's just get amongst it and get this done. Let's have a look at saving a file in different ways. Let's do it. Alright team, so we are going to be having a look at a few different ways to save your documents. I quite like saving documents. It proves to my boss that I've actually done some work, and I can actually show my boss what I've done. And I usually promise her that I haven't just copy and pasted it. So let's have a look at saving a file with a different name. What this is going to do is it's going to make 2 copies of your file. So let's say we save one as original, and then we save the second one as edited. That's going to give us the original file as well as the edited file. And that means that we can compare the changes of what we've done. So that's pretty cool. Now let's say your document, it's pretty fly, alright? You like how it rolls, and you think to yourself, I want people to read this document, but I don't want them to make any changes to it. The best way to do that is File, Save As, and you see Save As type here and it says Word document. You change that to a PDF, alright? And a PDF is a file which is read-only, pretty much, okay? You can create them so you can do a couple of things with them, but for the most part they're read-only. So you can't delete or change. What I'm doing is highlighting and pressing backspace, nothing is happening. So this is a good way of protecting your document if you don't want anything changed, but you want it read. Now, what we can also do with a document, if we want it to be in Word, but we don't want too many changes made to it, we can turn it into a read-only document. You go into Protect Document. So this is where we would put in a password for our document. But instead of going encrypt with password, what we're going to do is go ahead and mark as final. Now, whatever version of Word you're working on, this might be called something slightly different. But what you're really looking for is just the description where it says make it read only. So it'll pop up saying this document will be marked as final and then saved. You hit, yeah, okay, sweet. So now when you or someone else opens that document, they're going to be given just like a notification that says it's been marked read only. So let's go ahead and open that again. Edited. Now you see I've got this yellow bar that's popped up here and it's marked as final. An author, that would be me, has marked this document as final to discourage editing. So that's just telling you that, hey, this person doesn't want this changed. But we're going to go ahead and edit anyway because we're rebels. Now, lastly, what we can do is we can save our document as something different altogether, alright? So we can see that it's a Word document at the moment, but if we click down on the arrow, we can see that there's a whole selection of things, different file types that we can save it to. We can turn it into a rich text format. That's not what it sounds. It's not like it's got a lot of money as a text format. Or we could save it as a Word template. Now, what a Word template is it's pretty much just a document that you can open as a template and then edit it. You've worked with templates before in this module, you know what they are, you know how they roll and what they do. So you can save your document as a template. If you're running some macros, which you won't be, you would save it as a Word macro enabled template or Word macro enabled document. I save a lot of these, and that's just because I put in electronic signatures and the videos and stuff into a Word document. So there is a whole bunch of different file types that you can change to. The most common of which that you'll probably use is the PDF. Alright? So that is just a quick run through of some of the ways that you can save your file with a bit of flair, okay? The read-only one is pretty handy, and I would suggest that you do it whenever you finish your documents and they're ready to be marked by your tutor. Alright? Good luck, enjoy the rest of this module, and I'll see you next time. Catch you later, team.